Where's the best place to get a patty in the New York area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022.
Now I'm going to take you just up the street to New York, and we are going to reveal all the New York winners. So what is the best local Jamaican patty shop slash bakery in New York? And you said Golden Crust Caribbean Restaurant and Jamaican Flavors.
Yes, they had
It's
a tie.
Yeah. We realize a lot of people coming up double this year. So it means that all the places are not making no joke with the things that they're producing for a Caribbean community. We asked then, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And you said Caribbean Supermarket. Then we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you said Miss Lily's and Crave, a New York eatery.
Yes.
So
another tie.
another tie. And oh, I can tell you, Miss Lily's food. All right, so the best Jamaican Caribbean event you attended this year, the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, New York. So congratulations to you there.